Hello there, welcome back to my channel. My name's Louise and this is Louise's Lifestyle. Thank you for joining me. So I've got 2 seed packages here in front of me. The first seed haul of the year 2024. So it's January the 23rd today, and I got this package yesterday and this one's arrived today. So I thought I'd wait until the 2 packages were here together and do the video. So I'll start off with this and put that one down. Right, so this is a new seller, well a seller that's new to me, I should say. They're called Speedy Seeds, speedyseeds.co.uk, and this is their address. So this is a company that I accessed via eBay, but if you don't want to order via eBay or you don't have an eBay account, then you could possibly, I think, yeah, just go to their website. There's a website there and order from there. When I ordered, after I'd done the checkout, you get a description of what the seeds are and how to germinate them. So all the information about seed germination and how to grow them, what temperature, etc., is on the order itself. So let's see what I've got. These are mountain papaya seeds, and there's 10 seeds there in the package. And the last time I grew mountain papaya was a couple of years ago. Back in 2021 I started off with the seeds, and then a year later, at the beginning of 2022, the plant was a year old and had started to flower and fruit, and I had little tiny fruits on it just before I went on holiday in February. And unfortunately, while I was away, well, I was away for 6 weeks, came back and the plant had deteriorated, the fruits had fallen, and then the plant died very quickly after that. So I did want to try growing them, but last year for some reason I didn't get round to ordering the seeds. Thought I'd try again. Excuse me. Let's have a sip of my tea. Right. So I'm not going to sow all these seeds. What I will do, it did say on the website to soak the seeds at least a couple of days before planting them. So I've got a little pot of water ready labelled, and I will probably sow just 5 of the seeds. And if I can get at least 2 out of those to germinate, I'll be quite happy with that, because they're not the easiest to germinate. They do take a while. The mountain papayas, not the standard papaya. Excuse me. I'm going to pause the camera. I'm going to have a massive coughing fit in a minute. Sorry about that. Just had to get that cough out. It would have gone on for too long. Right. So, mountain papaya seeds. Let's have a look what's in the next package. So I have bought from this company before, Jungle Seeds, and I've got 2 packets of the same seeds because there's only 5 in 5 per package. They're not cheap, these seeds. And what did I get? Let's just put that one down. And these are Vasconcellia quercifolia, oak leaf papaya. Those of you who follow my channel will know that I've been growing oak leaf papaya since, oh gosh, I think it was 2019 when I first planted oak leaf papaya seeds. And I got the seeds from a German company. And I haven't been able to get the seeds. They're not that easy to get hold of, oak leaf papaya. So I did have a plant that grew. I had it for, gosh, nearly 3 years, and then I left it the final year before its demise. I had it in the greenhouse, and it turned to mush despite it being dry in there. It was just too cold. So killed off that plant. I did try to rescue it. The base slowly started to disintegrate. There was a little shoot that I did sort of prise off and tried to grow, but it didn't work. And then I did have a seedling growing back in 2022, was it? Yeah. I had a young plant growing from seed again, and this is that plant now. And as you can see, it's got flowers. I did recently feature this. This is in its second year. It's coming up to its second year now. When it first flowered was last January, and it was a year old then. So this is its second year now, and it's got little flower buds, but unfortunately these are all male, and it's not produced any female flowers at all. So it flowered throughout the summer. Then it went dormant, lost its leaves, and then just recently I checked on it a couple of weeks ago, and leaves appeared and flower buds. So it's a shame really that it's just got male flowers, and that this is the reason why I've ordered the seeds. I'm just going to open the packet and I'll show you what the seeds look like. Shape them like that. Maybe should I take them out? You can see them better. I'll take them out at the end of the video. So there's 5 seeds in there, and what I'm going to do, because I've bought 2 packets, I'm going to take 2 from here and 2 from here and soak them. The reason being, instead of just taking them all from one package, it could be that they've come from different batches, you know, different fruit. And I just want to increase the chances of viability, you know, by having seeds from 2 lots of, you know, they may all have come from the same fruit, I don't know. But just in case, I thought I'd take 2 from each and get them soaked. It does say to soak the seeds 2 days beforehand, and using a John Innes type of compost. I'll let you read that. You can see what they recommend. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this packet here. I've got a little container of water, oak leaf papaya, and then I'm going to put in 2 seeds from one packet and 2 seeds from another. And I'm going to show you what the seeds, they look different to a standard papaya. And you can see for comparison. I've actually got 3 there. Oh well, 3 have come out. I might as well use the 3. Don't know if you can see on camera. They're oval shaped. Not like, I'll get a fresh papaya seed, because I'm going to show you these anyway. So our fresh papaya seeds are black and round. When that's dried, that's a fresh seed. When that's dried, it will have a sort of a wrinkly appearance. These look like tiny, tiny walnuts. So I'll get them put in the water. So I'm going to put 3 there. Hopefully these seeds are viable, and then put them to one side for a couple of days, not in a heated place, just to soak basically. And I'll just get the seeds from the mountain papaya. I'll soak those in water too. I'll take, say, about 5, 2, 3. Yeah. You can see these are different again. You know, they've got like a darker appearance and a slightly elongated, not as round as the standard papaya. So put them in there. How many I've got in there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've got 5 in there. Put the little lid on if I can find it. There's a lid there somewhere. And I've just shown you a fresh seed. And what happened the other day, my husband bought a fresh papaya from Waitrose. Couldn't find them in our local supermarket, and I didn't want to go down to the Asian shop just to get a papaya. So got fresh seeds here, and the label somewhere, it's a solo variety. So the fruit it came from is called Solo, and I don't know where the label's gone to now. I'll find it in a minute. I'll just pause the camera and let me find it. Right, so I found the label lurking amongst all the packages, etc. So it says Golden Solo variety from Brazil. So the fruit's just a standard size fruit. And normally when you buy papaya, especially from the Asian grocers, you won't know what variety of papaya is. It's just papaya basically. Sometimes it'll be labelled as Formosa, which is the extremely large ones. But apparently Brazil export a lot of these solo varieties, and they grow them all year round. Now I don't seem to have a problem with germinating this type of papaya. It's keeping them alive. I never get them past maybe 3 or 4 months, and usually, say if I plant a whole load like this, a lot will come up, many will die, and I'll be left with about 2 or 3 which seem to be doing well, and then they too suddenly die off. Very, very tricky, you know. They're not the easiest to grow, papaya. So I thought, well, if in for a penny, in for a pound, I'm growing the mountain. Well, I'm going to attempt to grow the mountain papaya and the oak leaf papaya. I might as well try the solo variety as well at the same time. So this year, 2024, may be the year of the papaya for me. So we'll just have to wait and see. Anyway, that's all there is time for today. So hopefully, if anyone else is growing any varieties of papaya here in the UK, and you've got some tips on how to keep them alive, let me know in the comment box below. So thanks very much for watching, everyone. Take care. Bye bye.